Everything just he wants to do some stuff to.
Good afternoon, guys. So before we go install these bad boys on our truck, these are the S&B silicone cab mounts. We get often asked, why are they so expensive? What's the benefit? Well, let's talk about that. Okay, so here's your factory ones. These are a rubber. Okay. What happens over time, now this one's actually in decent shape, but we're still going to replace it, okay? Just because these improve ride quality dramatically, okay? So what happens is, over time, this rubber will deteriorate, where the silicone, this is a ballistic silicone that these are made of. So what happens is this absorbs shock, I don't know the percentage better, but it does absorb shock a whole bunch better, okay? And it gets rid of the deteriorating rubber that you have in here. So when we've installed these and we put them on pretty much every single truck that we've owned, we have noticed dramatic improvements in ride quality. What happens is folks don't realize that not only do you have your suspension, of course, your shocks and your springs and all that other good stuff, and they're working properly to make your truck ride smooth, we tend to forget about what hooks the cab to the frame to improve ride quality. That is these cab mounts. So in the process of replacing these, it really is quite a simple job. S&B sends a full kit. You get all new hardware. You get all of your cab mounts, so the rest of them are put in here. And they get to these directions so you know where they go in each one. It really is quite a simple job. You don't have to drain coolant. You don't have to drain oil. You don't got to disconnect anything electrical. All you have to do is loosen all your cab mount bolts. On the 6.0s, it's kind of a pain because, of course, you got to pull seats and pull carpet and all that other stuff out of there. On the 6.4s and the 6.7s, they're a lot easier to get to. Worst case scenario, if one of them's rusted in there, just pull the carpet back, put a socket or a wrench on the nut to hold it in place, and then hammer it out. Okay, put a little heat on there, it'll work wonders. But then you just take a jack on each side, and I've heard of my customers doing this in a 2 to 3 hour period in their own at-home shop. You don't have to have a lift. Put a jack on either side, pick it up, pull your cab mount out, install the new cab mounts on all four, depending on your cab configuration. A crew cab will have 4 on each side. Your extended cab will have 3 on each side, and so will your single cab. But you just replace all 3 on one side, set it back down, pick up the other side, do the same thing, go through and tighten your bolts up. It really is that simple of a task to do. So, I just wanted to make a quick video showcasing the difference. Now, I know that I can't show you guys the difference on camera. It's quite difficult to show that. But if you will, I'll show you here. You can see I can actually squeeze that, okay? Now, because it's a ballistic silicone, that means is it's the silicone that they use when they're testing gun rounds. Because it's a ballistic silicone, it's going to hold up a lot longer than that. Now, I'm using the same amount of force here, and can't really move that at all. That creates a stiff ride. Okay, so if you're really looking to improve the ride quality of your truck, I highly recommend you hop on our website, blessedperformance.com, or give us a call and say, hey guys, let's chat about these S&B cab mounts. Okay, we'd be glad to chat. Give us a call. We can chat about them, explain the differences between this and any of the other aftermarket brands out there. A lot of aftermarket brands are polyurethane or a rubber similar to this. This is a ballistic silicone. So it's designed to stand with, I think they have a lifetime warranty if I recall correctly, which is just astounding when you think about it. It's a cab mount. It's a wear item, okay? Lifetime warranty on them. So they're designed to last forever. So if you're looking to improve ride quality, this paired with a quality set of shocks really brings out. No, it's not going to be a Cadillac, obviously. It's still a full-size pickup truck. But what it does is it soaks up a lot of those bumps on the road. That's the goal here. Give us a call today, 1-800-577-2698. We'd be glad to chat about these with you.